Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of DeepSeek. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about DeepSeek and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.